Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, and today I am going to be showing you how to make pumpkin cream cheese frosting whoopie pies. They're delicious, and why not make that when fall has just approached us? I know summer has gone really fast this year. So today I'm going to show you how to make that. My video is going to be a little different than normal. My first few videos that I started my channel out with focused on me the whole time, doing what I do in the kitchen. And my last two videos, I just focused it on my hands, the ingredients that were being added into the recipe, and how to do everything. And I actually enjoy doing that a little more than always being in the camera. So I hope you enjoy this video. I may continue to do an intro every now and then, or just get right to it and do the recipe, show you what's in it. So if you enjoyed this recipe, follow along, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and let's get to it. Thanks for watching, guys.